Watering plants is no joke. I'm literally out here, it's hot as hell, and I keep wanting to go inside because like watering plants takes forever, especially since my mom has a bunch of plants. But you know what, it's kind of fun. Oh! What do I do? Oh, I hate those things. I'm scared. Every time I'm like changing the water to water a plant, I just come over here and I hide. There's so many birds. Why is like why was a beetle right there? I think they're beetles, right? I don't know. I always get paranoid of them because I feel like they're bees or like they could sting me or something. I don't know. Are they venomous? I don't know. I know like a few people, even my dad would play with them when he was young. He would say, I'm like, hell no. The only bug I consider to be like nice for me would be like spiders, butterflies. Actually, I like Egyptian beetles and scarabs, but just to look at them, not to like play with them, because that's anyways, I'm right here, I'm watering. Literally, as I was saying, watering plants outside is not for the weak because there's a bunch of creatures attacking you for some reason. Dude, I'm actually so scared. What's up? Oh my god. It's a freaking bird. I thought the beetle was back. I was about to run. I've been watering plants since the morning time. I think at like 10 I started. I don't really remember. It's been a while. And I just finished at 1:29. I don't know if you could see that. 1:30 actually. I'm low-key hungry. I'm literally so tired right now. I just want to sleep for real. Well, I don't even feel sleepy. I just want to lay down on my bed, to be honest. My sisters brought a little cookie. I don't know what type of cookie it is. I just know that it's a cookie. I'm gonna go try one right now because I'm low-key starting to feel hungry. It is 1:30, so I am gonna eat lunch like around 2 or even right now. I don't really know what I'm gonna do right now. I just want to sit down on my couch. I watered all of the plants. Literally, my mom has like at least, I want to say, 60 different plants in her house. I'm not shaming because I have my own little freaking garden right here in my room. Literally have this orchid since like last December, I want to say. I think, yeah, I got her in December. Also, she's been growing a lot. She already grew 2 leaves. This leaf has been coming out since like a month ago, I want to say. I hope this one grows its flower spike because I'm trying to see some flowers for the like winter time. It hasn't grown any flower spikes. It did grow one in the springtime, but it was like a freaking, what is that thing called? It grew a flower spike from a flower spike. I don't really know how to explain it, but if you know, you know. Yeah, I'm done. I'm gonna go try the cookie. So I'm really tired actually. I don't know if you could tell.